Kayagnaning selebrasyon ng Earth Day, ing pamagpasinaya ng Abakan Program. Pakibaluan niya iti, king report ng Patricia Mamango.
Maranon deng selubong nan reng kabalena environmental advocates ibat king Balibago Water Works System Incorporated o BWSI ing Earth Day ngening April 22 kasabi ning pamaglunsad ning Angileños and BWSI Advocates Cleanup Action for Nature o Abakan Program aganapan kete king Maligaya Head Office ning BWSI king Barangay Pulong Maragul, Angeles City. Layo ning Abakan Program ing pasiknangan ning massive cleanup drive king kalikasan at king kailugan kapamilataning pamakisan metong king lokal na gobyerno, pribadong sektor at ring memalen. Many muna king pirmahan ng Memorandum of Agreement para king Abakan Program ing BWSI at Metro Angeles Chamber of Commerce and Industry o MACSI.
The environment is really important for Balibago Water Works. We're a water utility. So, of course, our basic resource of water is life, comes from the environment. So, as we know, with climate change, we're facing water shortage, water scarcity. It's time for us to really preserve the environment and be able to replenish our watersheds so that we have water for future generations.
Reng negosyante king syudad, seryoso, king pamagmasabal, king pamanyese, king kalikasan.
And this is what we've announced during our first GMA, during the March 29. We're not the voice of the businessman, but of course we care for our Mother Earth, no? And exactly for this year, our team, our focus, our vision is about saving Mother Earth.
Ingabakan Program, suportado ning City Environment and Natural Resources Office o Senro ning Angeles City Government at Araw ACI o Abakan River and Angeles Watershed Advocacy Council Incorporated.
Actually, napaka-importante talaga yung usaping paglilinis, ano? Kahit yung tubig kahit meron kang tubig kung polluted naman, siyempre, kawawa rin tayo. Ang problema, sabi nga nung kaibigan natin si Abong Tayag, kung minsan daw ang isang bagay na hindi mo nakikita, nakakatakot. Di ba? Tulad ng mga mikrobyong nasa tubig, hindi mo nakikita, akala mo malinaw yung tubig. Pero marami pala. Di ba? Kaya talagang dapat maglinis tayo.
Kaya rin ing mawasigning, merapat, ing aktual na cleanup drive, king Abakan Riverbed. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.